Look out for my people that's watching on TikTok, y'all. Y'all check out my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. I'm trying to get them subscribers up, and it look like y'all liking it, and y'all stand there for a minute. Go on, check it out in HD on Look Out Racing, YouTube. Left lane for the win. Uh-oh, here come one of them badass unders. All y'all in TikTok, come on over here. So I can give you a shout out when you get over here. Ralph Yukas from TikTok. Dallas, Texas. All right, Limpy, you have a good night. We got Limpy in the chat, leave in the chat, y'all. Look out. Look out, look out. On motor. Up. He got off the gas. He didn't jump now. Right lane just didn't go. Got my TikTokers in the building, y'all. Uh-oh. Here come a good race for y'all to bet on. Let's get them likes up over there on YouTube, y'all. It's a whole bunch of y'all watching and still live. I don't even know how many people watching live. We got Omar Cup. Where at? Oh. Got AMG right here in the right lane.
Well on the race.
Oh, this is good. Let me see what Funky Town betting at. He might take us a setup. Excuse me.
Hey, I got this side, man.
Okay, he got this
Let him
side.
knock the doors off that bitch.
Oh, yeah?
Let him knock all the shit off.
Damn, they bet. I probably can get a bet then. Hey, man. Let me see if he think he gonna get him.
He said he was gonna give me the back tire, so we'll see if he's a man of his word.
Fucking up.
Oh, yeah. Okay, he getting the back tire over here, y'all. For my people watching on TikTok, y'all. Oh, no, he ain't gonna be able to recover if he take off like that. That ain't gonna get it. Let me see. Hey, Funky Town, where he go? Oh, he getting them bets in? Damn, look at him up there, y'all. He don't know he getting the back tire. Huh? He getting the back tire. Funky Town don't know. Funky Town! Look at him. Hurry up! Hey! Funky Town! Look! He getting the back tire. He getting the back tire. Hold on, let me see. Come back. Okay, hold on.
Slowly. Slow. Hey, don't mess with him, JoJo. Right there.
Left on him. He left on him. Yeah, he cut that.
Hey, look out. He spit because he had the back tire. He got out of that spin, out of that spin zone.
Yeah.
Yeah, he spit. He spit. If he'd have been staying up first, he would. He got me. He spit the tire.
Hey.